welcome back to the channel. Got some exciting news for you today, and I got a winner. We're gonna pick a winner today for that poster. Hey, did you guys like it? Should I do another one? Should I do something a little bit bigger? Leave in the comments what you think I should do on the next giveaway. Anyway, I'd like to appreciate all you guys who subscribed. Got about 75 new subscribers this month so far, and that's freaking awesome. The last time I checked, I'm 4 subscribers away from 1,300. Appreciate you guys. That's why I want to do some giveaways. Anyone that follows me, I just want to keep giving some stuff away. That's kind of the goal. It's about 8 o'clock. In a late start today, but I got to do a bushing in the rear end. So I bought one of these rear axle bushing, and we're going to throw it in real quick. After I get that done, I'm going to share some big, huge news. We're going to announce the winner. One more thing, guys. Hey, I got a subscriber to my channel that is totally awesome. I want to give him a huge shout out. If you guys have seen my video where I did it with Jenna, where she was driving the red car, this one right here. When she was driving it, we kind of explained a few medical issues that she's been having. And one of my subscribers sent me to give to her a bunch of awesome stuff. So I just want to give a shout out to Pony 1992. Appreciate ya. She hasn't opened it yet. I got the package, but she hasn't opened it yet because she is back in the hospital. So we're crossing our fingers for a speedy recovery. As soon as she's out, we'll do an opening. We'll do a video with her opening that little gift you got her. So thank you, Pony 1992. You rock. For those who don't know, Pony 1992, go follow him. I'll leave his link to his channel in the description. So everyone, cross your fingers, say a prayer. That she makes a speedy recovery, gets back to health. So all right, guys, there's the bushing right there. What we'll need to do is just take that bolt off, that nut on the right hand side, and then push that bushing out, and then drop the rear end a little bit so I can get the new bushing back in. Got the bolt out right here. Easy enough. Put it right there on my box, and then we're gonna let this down a little bit. All right, guys, gotta go get some parts. I was here till 11:30 last night trying to get this done, the bushing for my rear axle on my 08, and I screwed it all up. So now I had to go buy a new bushing. No one local had one, so I had to order one in, and now it's Sunday, 3 o'clock. Usually don't do this on Sunday, but here I am. So gotta jump in the parts truck. So we're gonna run up to the store real quick, go grab the bushing I ordered in. Hopefully it's the right one. We're gonna do a full send here, maybe. Why is there so much traffic on a Sunday? I don't get it. I don't get it. Guess because people work on their Mustangs that think they're good at them. Like me, screwed up. Now they're all driving around trying to find parts. Dude, Raptor full send, here we go. I love this truck. You guys, any of my followers, Raptor guys, let me know in the comments. And just like that, we're back. Got the old Moog. But anyway, I needed the housing for the Moog, the solder housing. Got the bushing all in, ready to go. But this right here, that's my big news. Found me a coyote to put in there. That's big news. I'm super stoked. That is gonna be freaking awesome. Got to get it ready and throw it in. So I'm gonna pull the valve covers off, give her a good check over, make sure everything's okay, and get ready to put her in there. Got a few more parts. Got my belt moldings for my windows, some gaskets for the gas tank, and some heater cores and an evaporator, so I have AC. All right, guys. Hey, it's giveaway time. I've got written down here a bunch of names to everyone who commented on the video. So what I'm going to do real quick, I'm going to fold them all up and stick them in the old Los Angeles Dodgers hat. This one right there, Brit FiveO. Should I put that one in the drawing? All right, that's Brit FiveO right there. Everybody else, there you are. Get those all squared away. Okay, put them right there in the hat. They're all inside. We'll shake them up. Shake them up real good. Okay, eyes shut. Boom. Bruce, you need to send me your address. I'll get you a poster out. All right, and since I'll put my hat back on here. Alright, so I'm on the random number generator. I typed in 1 and 36. We're going to generate a number here, and whatever number's on the paper will be the next winner. So here we go. Looks like number 32. Oh, Lethal, you're number 33. Sorry, buddy. Ooh, 31. Was cold start 76. And Carlos right there. You can see that, Carlos. Need your guys' address, and I'll get it sent over to you. So Carlos and Bruce, gonna leave my email in the description. Email it to me, or if we're friends on Instagram, DM it to me, and I'll get that right out to you. Thanks for watching the channel. Thanks for hanging in there with me. Hope you guys are killing it out there, and have a good one. We'll see you next week.